Installing and using a forward-facing car seat. Always read the car seat and vehicle manufacturer's manual before installing the car seat. Your child should stay in a rear-facing car seat until at least 2 years old, and the maximum height or weight for the seat in the rear-facing position. When placing your child in a forward-facing seat, make sure the harness straps are at or above their shoulder level. The center buckle should be as close as possible to your child's body without being under it. Once your child is secured, tighten the harness strap by pulling on the strap between the legs. Make sure to adjust the retainer clip so it's at the armpit level. Check for tightness. If you can pinch the fabric together at the shoulder, pull on the strap to tighten. Adjusting your car seat as your child grows. As your child grows, you can move the harness strap's height up. Do this by removing the harnesses from the splitter plate on the back of the seat. Pull each harness strap through the slot and move it up. You can also adjust the center buckle. Turn the metal plate sideways to move it out of the original slot to one further from the child if needed. Check to make sure your child's shoulders aren't above the highest set of harness slots or their ears aren't above the top of the seat's shell. If either occurs, you'll need to get a larger seat that fits your growing child. See your car seat and vehicle's instruction manual for car seat positions and installation methods. Before installing, check to see if there's an adjustment for switching the seat from the rear-facing position to the forward-facing position. Refer to the car seat manual to adjust it properly. Securing the forward-facing child seat with a seat belt. You can use your car's seat belt to install a forward-facing car seat. Before installing, find the tether strap on the top, as you may use that later. Pull the seat belt out. Then feed it through the correct seat belt path and buckle it. Allow the rest of the seat belt to feed back into the vehicle. A clicking sound will confirm it's now in the locked mode. Push the car seat into the vehicle as much as possible while pulling the shoulder portion of the seat belt to tighten it. If your vehicle has a top tether anchor, attach the car seat's top tether connector to it and pull tightly. Make sure to reference your car seat and vehicle manual to identify the proper use of the tether anchor. Check to make sure the car seat doesn't move more than an inch side to side or front to back by pulling at the belt path where the car seat is secured in the vehicle. Securing the forward-facing child seat with a lower anchor system. Look for a small tag or button sewn into your vehicle's seat, indicating where the latch anchors are. Attach the lower connectors of the child car seat to the lower anchors of the vehicle seat. Pull the adjustment strap and push the car seat to tighten it. Attach the car seat's top tether connector to the vehicle's top tether anchor and pull tightly. Keep your child safe. Buckle up every age, every trip.